Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Huawei P30 that looks like the surface of the moon. So let's go help this poor thing. So first thing we're gonna do is try to see if there's any damage to other parts of this smartphone. And it seems that the display alone is the one that's damaged. The back cover, I believe, is unblemished for some odd reason. Maybe this has a phone case on it, but the front display definitely needs a new one. We're gonna replace it and reuse the internal components that's still attached to the smartphone. We have removed the back cover. We're gonna unscrew the cover for the main board. We're gonna detach the connection for the battery and reconnect it. And this is the connector for the display. We're gonna leave that open so we can attach the connector from our replacement display. I'm gonna try to turn this on, and it seems it's turning on quite nicely. And here we are. We can now see the internals. All is working. Whoops. That camera is acting up. There seems to be an issue with the camera. I'm not sure what it is. David is gonna continue with the repair though. We're just gonna go through it. I believe there's an understanding with the client that the camera is not really the pressing issue at the moment. We're gonna perform the screen replacement anyway. I'm gonna remove the main board. Your bog standard layout. You have the main board, the battery, and the daughter board that we are unscrewing right now. I'm going to detach the main connector between the main board and daughter board. We're going to remove these antenna cables. I'm not really sure why Huawei smartphone still has these black and white antenna cables. I'm gonna remove the battery. We have this tape here. So everything has to be removed. This is, I think, the last main component we have removed, the battery. We're gonna reuse these tapes, so we're gonna make sure it's reusable. I'm gonna put that to the side for now. And this is our replacement display. So everything that we have removed, so this is a different approach of fixing. We'll just transfer them to the new housing. So that's simple. We're just gonna remove the components that we don't want and use the old ones from the original unit. So it's just a different shell. From the outside it looks brand new because it's a brand new component, but the inside, all original, baby. Put in the daughter board, antenna cables, some miscellaneous parts, connectors, basically Legos for adults, for experts like David. I guess that's it. We're just gonna reverse the process, do the final testing, and see if we can make it run in its new form. So if you have any questions, guys, on the repairs that we do here in the shop, you can message David directly through Google, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, what have you. You can also leave a comment on this video if you have any queries. If you're outside of Sydney, we can also fix your smartphone. You can send it to us. We'll fix it here in the shop and we'll mail it back to you once we are done with it. look at that. Just gonna cover it up and give it back to our clients. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We release new videos every day. So if you're curious on anything related to smartphone repair, we are the guys for you. You can use our videos as some sort of a guide. As you can see here, it's all working now. We'll see you again next time, guys. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.